Good afternoon.
Hello and welcome to InstaForex economic news channel with us, Anna Kasatkina
and Tahmina Salomova.
You are watching the currency and commodity market review for the previous week.
So what changes took place in the foreign exchange market throughout last week?
The US dollar rose last Friday as investors grew cautious over what was expected to be tension's G7 meeting in Canada on Friday. But at the same time, the dollar posted its largest weekly drop since late March. The euro lost 0.3%, declining to 1.1766 after rising to a 3-week high of 1.1840 overnight as investors took profits into last week's bounce. It was up by 0.9% over the week, its biggest weekly gain since mid-February. The dollar came under pressure last week as the euro bounced back from 10-month low amid easing Italian political concerns and speculation that the ECB could signal intentions to start unwinding its massive bond purchasing program when it holds its policy meeting of June 14th. The Federal Reserve, meanwhile, is widely expected to raise rates soon. Investors will most likely focus more on clues about interest rates rises for the rest of the year. In late trading, the dollar rose by 0.2% against a basket of currencies to 93.56, but it fell by 0.7% for the week, its steepest weekly fall in 10 weeks. That was all about the current tendencies on Forex and who took the lead in the commodity market last week.
In the commodity market, oil futures settled lower on Friday and posted a slight weekly decline.
And what fueled these movements?
Energy investors weighed potential outcomes for a meeting of major oil producers later this month against persistent concerns about crude supply from Iran and Venezuela. August Brent crude futures dropped to $76.46 a barrel on the ICE Futures Europe exchange, closing the week down by 0.4%. Brent has posted weekly drops in 2 of the past 3 weeks. July West Texas Intermediate crude futures ended lower at $65.74 a barrel on the New York Mercantile Exchange, with a weekly loss of 0.1%. Gold futures finished in the red on Friday as the dollar rose, but intensifying global trade disputes limited losses for bullion, allowing the commodity to hold onto a gain for the week. August gold futures ticked down by 30 cents to settle at $1,302.70 a troy ounce. The metal retained a modest weekly gain of about 0.3%.
Anna, thank you for the commodity market review. You watched the weekly currency and commodity market review on InstaForex TV channel.
It was presented to you by us, Tahmina Salomova
and Anna Kasatkina.
Have a great day. Goodbye.
See you.